Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our MEATER channel. I'm going to show you how to send a snapshot of your cook graph or even of the mouth-watering meal you made. When you're in the middle of a cook, tap the three dots at the top right. Select Share Cook, then tap Share to send a current snapshot of your cook graph. You can also use the Add Photo option to include a photo of your cook before you hit Share. Now you can email it, text it, airdrop it, or even post it directly to social media. You can also share a live cook with our web link feature. Find our promo video to help guide you. If it's for a cook that's already happened, you can tap the three dots at the top right of the MEATER dashboard. Tap Previous Cooks. Select the cook. Tap the share icon at the top right, and now you can send the photo or cook graph. For more pronos, subscribe to this channel, find us on social media, and check out MEATER.com. Looking forward to seeing everyone's food porn, and don't forget to hashtag MEATERmade. Sharing is caring. WeChat it, Line it, Kakao it. Now you can email it. I started thinking of the list in my head. Now you can email it, text it. My head gets like ahead of me.